Hello everyone, how are you doing today? The 110th word of a Word a Day Challenge 2021 is scintillating. Scintillating. And to talk about its origin, we have with us our very own scintillating Sylvia. Let's hear her out.
Hello! The word of the day is scintillating. Scintillating means sparkling, twinkling, and it derives from the Latin verb scintillo. Scintillo means shine, glitter, sparkle, and from this verb derives the adjective scintillans, from which derives the word scintillating. In Italian it is scintillante, and it is about a quality of the body, of a physical appearance. Scintillante means sparkling, while in English scintillating can be used also for a conversation, for example, or for a good talk with a friend. And in Italian it is brillante. It is similar to scintillante, but it's not linked to a physical appearance of a body or an object. So I wish you all a scintillating time.
Thank you so much, my lovely Sylvia, for contributing to this video. It really means a lot. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Scintillating is an adjective, and as Sylvia mentioned, it means shining brightly, shimmering, sparkling, gleaming, twinkling. It also means brilliantly witty, clever, intelligent, sharp, exhilarating, effervescent, lively, interesting, fascinating. When you call someone scintillating, it means that the person is brilliantly clever, or witty, sharp, or lively, interesting. Let's see what all could be scintillating. Scintillating sun, cluster of stars, or shooting stars. Scintillating wit, conversation, talk. Scintillating speaker, scintillating character, story, performance, play. Scintillating looks, scintillating experience, scintillating appearance. There could be scintillating match, tournament, win, victory, scintillating highlights. Let's look at some sentences now. I like to sit under the scintillating sun, or I love to witness the scintillating shooting stars. He was charmed by her scintillating looks. The manager was quite impressed by your scintillating wit. Today's conversation with the editor was quite scintillating. You can also say, he always comes up with scintillating ideas, or he wanted to watch the scintillating highlights of yesterday's match. What a scintillating performance! I was glued to my seat. Today I might not sound scintillating because I'm running temperature and would get my COVID test done tomorrow. Keeping my fingers crossed. Keep learning. Stay blessed, stay safe.